Hey, what's up guys? Hanging out here in my truck camper. This is the front of the truck over here. I use this bed to lay out on, relax on. My camper's not popped up right now, so I'm just sitting in here. It's a really tall camper, so I could sit in here with a regular chair and have plenty of headroom. I just want to show you guys real quick. I got a microwave set up in here. I use this camper for my lunch breaks, for days at the park with the kids, soccer tournaments, hockey tournaments, quick camping trips. So having a microwave has been pretty awesome. We still like cook outside obviously when we're camping, but if we're on a road trip and we just need to eat something real quick, this is great. So it's being powered right now by my Anker Solix C1000, and this is just a cabinet I cut out of another cabinet that I had at home. I was gonna toss, but I decided to try to, make that work so that my fridge sits on top. $40 microwave at Target. So right now, my 1,000, I think 52 watt hour power station is, like I said, the Anker Solix C1000 is 80% charged. Let's go ahead and fire up the microwave. So it's a 700 watt microwave, but you'll see right here, it's pulling about 1,200 watts once it gets going. Let's see, right there, 1,193. Not sure if you can see that in the video. I'll try to focus better. So let's see how much percentage I lose after a minute. I have a alternator charger and a 100 watt solar panel on the roof, so when I'm driving my battery gets charged. When I'm sitting here and it's sunny out, it gets charged, so it's really not a big deal. Yeah, I bought this thing for 40 bucks at Target. It's pretty awesome. If it doesn't last, oh well, it was only 40 bucks, but I don't have anything in there right now. I don't want to heat up anything, but it gets hot quick, like amazingly. Like a frozen breakfast sandwich takes like a minute and a half in here. So here we go, we'll see it drop off. There we go. So I only use 3% of my battery for a minute, which to me that's great, because I'm only going to use this at the most a few minutes a day. So like I said, I mean, my alternator charger will charge it 500 watts, watt hours. So it's quick, I'll get that back in a 3-minute drive. So yeah, I've had this thing for a year and a half now, the Anker Solix C1000, tucked away down there. Just, I got the TV monitor plugged in right here. So, and then it's running the fridge, it's running my fan. Yeah, so this thing's awesome. I could turn off the AC power right here, so the microwave will turn off, and also my computer monitor. And I just put this bungee strap across. I've never had an issue with it falling out. Sometimes I have to make some sharp turns on my way to work, but yeah, it's been awesome. So that's how I have my microwave set up in my truck camper. Highly recommend it, guys, if you're using this camper every day. If you're just going camping once in a while, even once a month, you don't need a microwave. It's unnecessary. But like, I'm in this thing every single day. We're using it. This is a daily driver for me. So I got a little house on wheels, and I have another video that shows a total walkthrough of the interior of my camper when it's, where it's not even popped up. It's so useful, I don't even pop it up. Plenty of headroom in here. Here, look. So yeah, so far loving it, guys. All right, have a good one.